Hi there, I'm Tim Horse from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and I am super proud to present to you 6 Watson Ave here in Sandringham. A quintessential family home that has been thoroughly enjoyed by our current owners, with 3 bedrooms and a great sized bathroom, an open plan modern living and a renovated kitchen. It will certainly tick some boxes for anyone looking to start or take a next step on the city fringe. The home is found on a 540 square metre freehold level section that is north of St Lukes Road in trendy Sandringham. The good sized rear section has plenty of space for your family to enjoy. But with Warren Freer Park almost on your doorstep, you won't struggle for outdoor space here. Moments from bars, cafes and Eden Park, you won't be short of entertaining options, and with St Luke's a 2-minute walk, you can do the shopping item by item. Public transport is at the end of the street and trains are a short walk away. You are in a great spot here. This home is absolutely adorable and we can't wait to show you through. So make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or book a time to view. We look forward to seeing you here.